on to the 2025 ASI Student Government Installation Ceremony.
Today's ceremony honors your hard work and also your commitment to lead. And now let's begin this installation.
I would ask that all the newly elected ASI Board of Directors members please stand and step forward.
So if you each will please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Please state your full name. I do solemnly swear to be guided in all deliberations and conduct of my office and by the articles and bylaws of the Associated Students Incorporated. I shall be guided by integrity and principle to that end that all of the students shall be served properly. Congratulations. Give them a round, please.